Right, so this lab is going to guide us through the process of creating a code commit repository. CodeCommit is a highly scalable, fully managed source control service. Using CodeCommit means you don't have to operate your own source control system or worry about scaling its infrastructure, or you could just use Git or Bitbucket or literally any other Git repository. Right, in the AWS Management Console search bar, enter CodeCommit and click on the result. So CodeCommit. Right, so we've got no repository, so we're going to create one. We need to call it lab repository. You can leave the description blank. Usually a field would contain a short description.
Said.
Hey, Valas. Right, so yeah, we can create that. So we get a connection step, so we can either connect to it through HTTPS or we can SSH onto the repo and pull it down that way. We have a test at this point, so I need to go down to the check. There we go. Right, so we're going to check that I made the repo. Yeah, cool. Of course I just made it. Right, now we're going to create credentials to access the repository.
Teller says, are you going to use CodeStar to integrate to GitHub?
Potentially, there is a CodeStar lab, so we'll get to that. Right, so yeah, we're going to go to IAM and we're going to create a new user that will be able to access it. So, right, so leave this here, we'll go IAM. So IAM's like the user access. So if we go to under user management, somewhere, access management, users, right, so we're going there. Click on student, security creds. Let's download creds. That's a bit. Just in case there's anything on it. Don't think there is. Go to HTTPS get credentials for CodeCommit. That's not anyway, so yeah. CodeCommit, get credentials, generate creds. Now we get the bit I need to hide. So I'm going to get my user account. Save it to downloads. Okay. Right, cool. I've got my creds, and then so yeah, we've generated credentials, we've saved them, and then you can now use the credentials to access the repository in later step. That's what we have to do. So yeah, so we just need to check that I generated creds. I can see them in the dash. So did I make them? Yes, I did. Right, so now we've made them, we've got a EC2, so EC2. I lied, we aren't messing about with EC2s. Right, so we've got a Ubuntu service we can connect to, so let's connect. Connect. Oh, it's going to make us use the git command line. Okay, fair enough. Right, what we doing? We go to the code commit. Lab repository. Right, we're going to clone the URL, so we want copy that. Git clone. Oh, it copied the whole thing. Okay. So that's going to clone the repository. Username is copy. Password. You appear to have cloned an empty repository. I have indeed. Right, we can ignore the warning because it is in fact a brand new repo, there's nothing in it. So we can now cd into lab repository. Let's clear the thing. So, right, we're going to echo lab into lab.txt, so there's a file in there. We're gonna git add lab.txt so that gets added to the like the committed file, or we're adding that file so it can be tracked by git commit. So we're gonna make a commit with the message lab commit. It says cap L, so let's do that just in case that matters. Lab commit. So now that we've made a commit, that file's been put into a change set, so that file has been changed. We're going to add that file. We can ignore the message about your username, yeah. Right, so we can go to next steps. Cool. Okay, so now we're just going to git push. My creds in again. Oh, so that's pushing. Pushed it straight into master because that's how we roll. Okay, and then we've copied the file from the local repository onto the remote repository within CodeCommit. If we go back to CodeCommit, we should be able to see our commits. There we go. So there's the commit we've just added. And do we actually have to do anything here? No, we've just got to check to see that the file got added, so let's prove that I did it. did.